The grand winner of Binibining Paniki 2026 is Binibini 15! This Women's Month, and as a Binibining Paniki candidate, can you share a personal experience that shaped your understanding of women's strength and how it guides you today? In Filipino, ngayong buwan ng kababaihan at bilang isang kandidato sa Binibining Paniki, pwede mo bang ibahagi sa amin ang isa sa iyong personal na karanasan na nakatulong sa iyo upang maunawaan ang kahulugan ng likas at kakayanan ng kababaihan at kung paano ito nagiging gabay sa iyo ngayon?
You know what? The first time I joined Miss Paniki, I failed to get even the smallest crown. And one thing that I realized about failure is not something na makakapagpababa ng sarili natin. Failure is part of our success. That's why the moment that I lost that night, one thing that's been going around my mind is that hindi pa ito tapos kasi hindi ako babae lang. Just like what I've said kanina, girls are always, thank you, Lord. Thank you.